Hello there, my name is Tesfahan. I am a partner of CGI Ethiopia. Today I will show you how can create rain with water ripples effect in Maya. Look like this. You will find the project file of this training at www.cgiethiopia.online. Download it and learn the process easily. You can get the link under the video description. I hope you like it. Please subscribe our CGI Ethiopia YouTube channel. First, we start working with rain. Press Shift and right-click and select Sphere. Press T. Subdivision axis value 8 and subdivision height value 8. Next, select the upper vertex this way. Press B to soft select mode on. B and left-click adjust the brush size. Press W. Drag it up a bit. Press R, adjusted a scale look like this. Then select Poly Modeling Shelf, select Freeze, delete by type and center pivot. Set the X, Y, Z scale value 004. Then select Freeze, delete by type and center pivot, then tag it. Rain lift should be away from the ground. Make it translate Y value 8. By pressing this wireframe icon, make it easier to see, because it is too small. Then go to frame 1 and press Shift and W. It will make you key select when you press it. Go to frame 80 in the same way. Set translate Y value -8. Press Shift and W. As you can see, up to 80 frames, the activity was created. Next, select Poly. Then go to Windows, select Graph Editor from the Animation Editor. Select all graphs in this way, press Line or Tangents. Then go to Curves. Under Post Infinity, select Cycle with Offset. As you can see, there was an activity that stopped at 80 frames, and now that it has been Cycle with Offset, there has been endless activity from the beginning. Next, press Ctrl and G to place it in a group, give it a group name. Then rotate it to a certain extent, select a group. Rotate X value 15. Next, select a group, go to the Mesh shelf, click the Create Mesh Network. Go to the Attribute Editor, select the Mesh Distribute. Set Distribution Type Grid. Distance X value 15. Distance Z value 15. Grids value 25. Grids value 25. Then return to the Mesh network. Add random node. Positions value 0. Positions value 0. Position Y value 10. As you can see, they all go down to the ground at the same time. This has to be fixed, and it has to start above ground. To edit these, go back to the Mesh network. Add the Transform node. Right-click in the controller null. Then select Create. Select the created locator. And translate Y value 10. Next, go back to the Mesh network. Add Time node. Animation Start value on. Animation End value 120. Random Seed value 10. Time scale value 1 4. Random time scale value 10. As you can see, they are dropped to the ground at different times. Then press F5. From the list of fluids, select Pond. Select the created mesh poly and pond by pressing Shift on viewport. Then from the list of fluids, select Make Collide. As you can see, ripple effect has worked for us in this way. Select Pond. Go to Attribute Editor. Boundary X None. Boundary Y None. Then go to Dynamic Simulation Attribute. Make Damp value 01. Go with Contents Detail Attribute. The Density Scale value 004. As you can see, we have made it look like this. This density determines the size we use, and then this fluid has to be converted to polygons. Select Pond, go to Modify. Select Convert Fluid to Polygons from the list below. After converting to polygons, select Mesh Polygon and Fluid Polygon by pressing Ctrl. Next, go to Cache. Then click the box to be signed the export selection to Alembic. Change the time range to start to end. Then tag and export it. Next, open a new scene, import the previously exported Alembic. As you can see, it is much faster than the previous viewport performance. Now select both poly and press Ctrl and G to group them, then naming the group. Right-click on Poly. Select Standard Surface Material. Then change Material Type to Standard Surface. Go to Presets. Replace Deep Water. Next, select a group, go to the Edit menu, click the Duplicate Special box, and make sure the duplicate input graph is selected. You adjust the duplicated group layout in this way. Also set the scale X value -1. The duplicated group should be different from the first group. Select on Poly. Go with the Alembic Node attribute. Offset value 4. When this happens up to frame by 4, the duplicated group will start moving late. By -4, move 4 frames earlier. Make time range 116. You can see, the duplicate has been different from the first group. Then select both group and press Ctrl and G, then duplicate by pressing Ctrl, Shift and E. Adjust the position to duplicated group in this way. and scale x value -1. You make it look like this. And finally, go to Arnold. From the Arnold list, select Sky Dome Light. Texture and light on the viewport. Make it look like this. So, you can create rain with ripple effect. You will find the project file of this training at www.cgiethiopia.online. Download it and learn the process easily. You can get the link under the video description. I hope you like it. Please subscribe our CGI Ethiopia YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.